First of all, let me clarify here. When you keep saying you borrowed, I never borrowed one naya paisa. Vijay Mallya has never borrowed a single rupee from anybody ever. It was Kingfisher Airlines, the running company, that borrowed. I was a guarantor.
ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे वीडियोस विजय माल्या एंड किंगफिशर ये दो सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी है इस पे बन चुके हैं. बट वेट, व्हाट अबाउट सेक्शन नंबर 126 एंड 128 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट? सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी इज ओके, बट इन केस ऑफ गारंटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, guarantor is equally liable if borrower makes a default. So if Vijay Mallya is saying that Kingfisher borrowed only 6,203 crores of loan and government recovered 14,131 crore from him, it is as good as saying that मैं एग्जाम में फेल नहीं हुआ, बस एग्जाम में मेरा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था. So it doesn't work in the exam, right? So it doesn't work in the law as well. And this is why court talks about lifting up of corporate will, that is Salomon versus Salomon case, and by applying the provisions of Indian Contract Act, you should ignore the corporate identity completely and you should hold the person who is behind it, that is the mastermind behind the entire scam. So don't only remember this example as an example of separate legal entity, but also the example of section 126 and 128 of Indian Contract Act. वैसे एज अ लॉ स्टूडेंट आपको क्या लगता है, विजय माल्या सही है या गलत?